Good morning, everybody. Ron from CampFire Grub, and today we're out here in Ginny Springs, up in High Springs. And today for breakfast we're going to be making some maple syrup cinnamon roll French toast. First step is to take 2 eggs and throw them into a plate. You can put them into a bowl to mix them up, but I prefer a plate. It just works easier for putting it on the bread. So we're just going to go ahead and mix these up, get them nice and scrambled, and then we actually have some Flavor God cinnamon roll seasoning. It's actually pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and open it up and add some of that in there. The next step is going to be to take some maple syrup and just drizzle some on each side of the bread. So we got some here, and then spill it all over the place. Just kind of spread it out on each side, and then go ahead and flip the bread over. And then we'll get some on this side too. So now we have the bread all nice and covered in some maple syrup, so we're going to go ahead and bring it over here and just drop it right into our egg wash. Then go ahead and flip it over without getting egg everywhere. And now it's nice and covered in the egg, the maple syrup, with a little bit of the cinnamon bun roll seasoning. So I just threw in the French toast onto the cast iron pan, so we're going to give them a few minutes on each side to cook, and then they'll be done. So if you're curious about the seasoning that we're actually using the Flavor God Buttery Cinnamon Roll. And it's actually a really good seasoning. There's not a whole lot of unnatural ingredients in it. So here you have it. Here is the finished breakfast. Here is our maple French toast. Here are some sausages and some peppers that I sauteed up. Again, thank you everybody for watching, and don't forget to follow along on Instagram at CampFire Grub.